Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at a slick and stylish upgrade kit for your Nintendo Switch 2. It's the eXtremeRate DIY Replacement Shell and Button Set, deluxe version in clear atomic purple. This kit is designed specifically for the Switch 2 handheld console and Joy-Con 2 controllers. And if you're into customizing your gear, this might just be the perfect mod for you. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is how vibrant and sleek the clear atomic purple shell looks. It's got that retro transparent aesthetic, kind of a throwback to old school Game Boy Color vibes, but updated for the modern Switch 2. The entire shell is made from sturdy PC plastic, and it feels premium. This isn't just a cheap overlay or sticker. This is a full replacement housing for both the Joy-Cons and the main console body. The kit includes the full replacement shells and buttons, stickers for the kickstand area, screwdrivers, a tweezer, a prying tool, and even some spare screws and springs. Basically, everything you need is included in the package, except the actual console and Joy-Cons of course. This is strictly an outer shell replacement. There are no electronics in the kit, and you will need to disassemble your existing setup. Now, let's talk installation. This isn't for the faint of heart. If you're not comfortable taking apart your console, this might be a little intimidating. eXtremeRate does provide an installation video guide on YouTube. Just search eXtremeRate Replacement Shell for Switch 2 inches. And I highly recommend watching that in full before starting. It requires a bit of patience, a steady hand, and ideally some prior experience with electronics or console modding. But if you follow the guide step by step, you should be able to get through it. Once installed, the shell fits like a glove. The cutouts are precise, and all buttons align perfectly. What's even better is that the Joy-Cons still work seamlessly, with the magnetic lock and release system, and the entire unit fits into the dock without any issues. That's a huge win for a third-party mod. Besides the visual appeal, the new shell also adds a personal touch to your gaming setup. If you're tired of the standard black or neon colors that come with the Switch 2, this is a great way to make your console stand out. The finish is smooth but grippy enough for extended gaming sessions, and the transparent look lets you see some of the internals, which adds to the cool factor. It's worth mentioning again, this shell is only compatible with the Nintendo Switch 2 and Joy-Con 2. It does not work with the original Switch, the Lite, or the OLED version, so make sure you've got the right model before you buy. To wrap it up, the eXtremeRate DIY Replacement Shell Button Set in clear atomic purple is a fantastic customization option for Switch 2 owners. It combines style, durability, and that satisfying feeling of modding your gear. Just be prepared to invest a bit of time and patience into the install. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest, hands-on product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you'd mod your Switch with this shell or if you've already tried it out. See you next time.